4x6 dump, but I don't need to let, can't see it. And I sure as hell don't need to be a friend with someone who gets off at looking at pictures of my kids. She's rocking and not going to believe you.
Okay. There was a case number made in 2007.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is in reference to that case.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes. That's what he said, just kind of make a report or something about it.
There's not really a report that make a new one. What I'm going to tell you is EMCU, which is non-SRS, the police department side of it, you need to talk with EMCU because they're the ones that handle that have already looked into the case. Okay? So if you have new evidence, call this number down here and just kind of explain this case from 2007. You know, at the time, you know, I found some other information here I want to add to the case and talk with them, and then maybe they can tell you also what happened if anything with that.
Yeah, that's what he told me.
Okay.
Just make a report. I don't understand how the CCI child custody investigation that they did back in April, March, was conducted and done where they want to give her custody.
I don't know.
I don't understand it. I even gave them a picture of that. That's the crazy thing of it.
I mean, I don't know what kind of, was that DCF or SRS or whatever they did? They did the investigation or did?
What?
No, this thing here you said.
The CCI courts, District 1.
Oh, the court
Had a family jury room people, the ones that do the restraining order crap. They don't want to make an addition to another claim. That's what I was trying to tell dispatch. I've been getting text messages on this phone, and it's already documented. Back then, for complaints. And there's only one person that has this number, okay? That's my ex-wife.
Okay.
And his order that we have, which is right here, that's current. That's the only reason why I would do it. So she's texting. So I have to drop my daughter off in the morning. Then I pick her up for school. Well, about a week ago, I had SRS standing out here claiming that I was abusing my daughter sexually. But the claim was obviously false because, for one, how did they know 405 room number? This place don't even have a 4 in it, except for on the ass end of the numbers, okay? The lady already knew it was bogus. Plus, that my ex-wife was to pick my daughter up from school. Not correct. She takes her to school. And the court order judge gave her this year. Okay? But I had to, because I work anywhere between 5:30 and 7 in the morning, take her over there, then she takes her to school. And she gets every other weekend visit. And nothing more. And she was claiming she saw her daughter too much. You know?
Well, what I'm going to tell you about that is, when you get text messages, you're getting from her, and they're not threatening or anything like that, you can document it, you can do it on your own piece of paper, and then when you go to court, say, hey, look, she contacted me these times, blah, 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 blah.
Oh, I got videos of it, trust me.
Okay.
It's all there.
Right. So what I'm saying on that is, use it as a restraining order, you can just say,
Well, it is in a way.
well,
Because it has to stay by the vehicle. But here's an interesting thing concerning, one, I'm not near, and I've called that. Okay? Two, come on, really? Everybody got bugged, man. It's this time. I've learned that this is one of Shelby White's friends. We have a restraining order that she has against me. They want to contact me through use of other people. That's why it says using someone else again.
and they need to,
Leave me the fuck alone.
well, you need to go file a restraining order on that.
Well, I really would like to. However, me and Judge Rumney Z are not getting along, and neither is the WPD. Anybody else. And as long as she keeps this shit up, and the police department keeps protecting her, I'm going to keep recording it, and I'm going to post it on my YouTube page, which is going to go viral. Which is right here. Stop harassing me by pinging my phone. I mean, I got that right there. Posted that last night.
Be sure to stock you on all that stuff so when stuff comes up. And as far as the thing from 2007, you can give that phone number home and tell them, hey, talk to that more in. Hey, look, I've got this information here when I have the case. Okay. You're doing everything right. Just document everything.
Yeah, see, my paperwork for that's why I've been trying to go through
that's just evidence that they're not going after or letting me make a police report for harassing phone calls. They know who called me from the last number, which happens to be a Catherine Loepp, L-O-E-P-P. It refers to my last video of still using other people to contact me. They didn't even make a police report on it at all, period. They know who it is.